Recording. Good morning, all dear student. Good morning. Can I start? Anyone say can yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, dear student, I think screen is visible. Yes or no? Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, today I will take numerical problems based on acoustics, means how we can find out the reverberation time from the knowledge of volume, absorption coefficient, and surface for a particular system. Okay, as well as we can find out the total absorption or a particular absorption coefficient. Now, according to Sabine, I will share my screen. According to Sabine, the formula for to find out the reverberation time. Can you tell what is that formula? Anyone? Hello. क्या formula पता है आपको? Okay, I will write. Yes, that is T reverberation time. Reverberation time. Time is denoted by T equal to 0.165 V upon a summation of AS. And dear student, what is the V? Anyone? I will use a different color. Dear student, V matlab volume. A is absorption coefficient. And S is what? Anyone? Yes. Dear student, what is the unit of volume? Hello, student. Hello, you can unmute and tell. What is the unit? A क्या है? Meter cube. What is the unit of volume? Meter cube. Okay. Now, absorption coefficient measured in, dear student. Anyone? What is the OW? Hello, students. My audio is clear? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है आपको? Hello, student. Hello. Anyone say can yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so OWU matlab open window unit, S matlab surface. Okay, and from this see a hall has volume 1400 cubic meter. Its total absorption is equivalent to 520 square meter of open window. And what will be the reverberation time? And dear student, as per Sabines, Professor Wallace Sabines, the formula for to find out the reverberation time is T equal to 0.165 V into upon summation of alpha V. Dear student, this term is generally referred to as total absorption. See, this term is what? Total absorption. Total absorption. Can you read my handwriting? मेरा handwriting समझ में आ रहा है ना? Hello student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, super, nice.
Yes.
Now, before solving any problem, any numerical problem, first, dear student, first step is first write the data. Okay, so I will use a different color. So I will write here data. Data. First, I will write data, and the data from question from data is volume V equal to dear, try to write your data with proper unit. So volume का unit है meter cube. Then total absorption, and for total absorption, dear student, formula is A into S is equal to 520 meter square of open window, means square meter into OW. This is the unit. Okay. So V is equal to 1400 cubic meter, and total absorption summation of alpha A is equal to 520 square meter into open window unit. Okay. Yes. Can you find now, dear student, reverberation time from the knowledge of V and total absorption? Can you find reverberation time? Hello, student. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Now, our aim is to find reverberation time. Therefore, here I will write t equal to question mark. मुझे क्या find out करने का t? तो as per Sabin's formula, t equal to 0.165 v upon summation of a. Now I will put v and this term in this t, and after putting the value of v and summation of alpha base, this implies that t equal to 0.165 into 1400 whole divided by, dear student, whole divided by
0.44.
520. Please tell, dear student, numerator, what is the numerator? Anyone? Numerator, first tell me numerator. What is the numerator? Hello student. Numerator का value क्या है?
Sir, 0.44.
0.44. Yes, anyone? That is 0.165, dear student, 0.165 into 1400. What is your value? Numerator value?
231. 231.
Perfect. So 231 upon 520. Yes, dear student. What is this implies that t equal to what? Yes, upon
0.444.
Yes, point. Dear student, please write only first two digits. That is, exact answer is 0.4442, and you can write this is approximately equal to 0.44, and unit is second. Because next point is here. Only write, dear student, two digit after decimal point, because here 4, therefore you can write 44. Suppose this value is 5. So you can write here 0.45. Is it correct? Increase by 1. Yes, dear student, understood first problem? Hello student. Anyone second? Yes. Can
Yes,
you find?
sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
next, yes, very good. Thank you so much for your response. Next point is, yes, next example is a hall has volume 4,500 cubic meter. It is required to have revolution time of 1.49 seconds. What should be the total absorption? Now, yes, what is the here question? Find what total absorption in the hall. Okay, and dear student, first I will write data, and data is volume V equal to 4,000 reverberation time t equal to 149 seconds. And what should be the total absorption? Means summation of A into S equal to question mark. Understood up to this level, dear student? Hello. Now our formula is, next formula is, dear student, I'm writing step by step. Okay, so you should write all these in detail. The formula is T equal to, as per Sabin's formula, T equal to 0.165 into V whole divided by summation of A. Okay, now I will divide screen into two parts. Okay, this is your equation number 1. Therefore, put T and V in equation 1. Therefore, we get, I will use again a different color. Dear student, we get, can I write like this? 1.49 equal to 0.165 into V 4,500 whole divided by, that is your summation AS. Dear student, we need summation AS is what? Total absorption. Therefore, we can write AS is equal to 0.165 into 4,500 whole divided by 1.49. Yes, this is the next. Then, dear student, then write numerator. Yes, anyone? What is the 0.16?
42.5.
720.
0.165.
742.5, sir.
Okay, very good. 0.165 into 4,500. 742.5. Is it correct? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
742.5
Yes, sir.
upon 1.49. Okay, and divided by 1.49. Yes, what is your answer? Hello.
498.3.
Yes, 32. And unit of A is open window unit, and unit of surface is square meter. Therefore, this is your square meter. So answer is the total absorption is equal to this. Therefore, I can here I will use S. I will use capital S, and hence see again your question is find out total absorption. I will use laser total absorption in the hole, and therefore I will rewrite. Hence, I will use different color. Hence, dear student, total absorption understood, dear student, up to this level. Hello. Hello, student. Anyone second? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, dear student, can you read? See, the volume of hole is 2,500 cubic meter. Volume of hole is 2,500 cubic meter. The area of wall is 250 meter square. Area of floor and ceiling each of 150 square meter. If the absorption coefficient of wall, ceiling, and floor are 0.025, 0.020, and 0.550 respectively, find the reverberation time for the hall. Okay. Hello, student. Can you read this?
Yes, sir.
Anyone second? Okay. Yes. We have volume, then area of surface area of wall, floor, and ceiling, and absorption coefficient of wall, ceiling, and floor. And based from the knowledge of this, we will try to find out the reverberation time. And again, I will first write data. First, I will write data. I will use different color. Okay. V equal to 2,500 cubic meter. Here I will use notation for surface area of wall. I will use one notation, that is SW. Surface area of the wall, that is SW, equal to 250 square meter. Then surface area of floor, I will floor, that is SF equal to, yes, what is the SF? Anyone? Is it correct? And ceiling, surface area of ceiling, I will use SC equal to again 150 square meter. Understood, your student, up to this level? Anyone second? Yes. Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, एक मिनट हाँ. So, yes. So here, from this data, we can write surface area of wall, floor, and ceiling with SW, SF, and SC. Now, absorption coefficient. See, absorption coefficient of wall. Here, I will use this area. Now here, I will use a different color. Yes, absorption coefficient of wall. I can write, dear student, AW. W means wall. So इसका क्या है? For wall is 0.025 open window unit. OW means open window unit. Similarly, absorption coefficient of the I will take of the ceiling. Here first take I will floor. Okay, first I will take floor. Floor का है 0.550 of the floor, that is AF equal to, dear student, 0.550 open window unit. Okay, and next is absorption coefficient of ceiling, that is AC is equal to, dear student, 0.020 open window unit. Understood, dear student, up to this level? First मैंने explain किया about volume. Second is related to surface. And this is the absorption coefficient. Understood, dear student, up to this level? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, dear student, we have Sabin's formula. Now I will use a different color. Yes, that is our aim is to find what? T equal to question mark. So T is equal to, dear student, T equal to 0.165 into V whole divided by summation of A into S. What is the summation of A into A? That is the absorption coefficient into surface for wall plus floor and plus ceiling. Okay, so this is your formula. Okay, equation number 1. But summation of AS, dear student, is equal to AW into SW plus, I can write A floor into S floor plus AC into SC. This is, dear, understood, dear student, up to this level? Hello. Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, dear student, ये देखो, I will use it. Okay, means from multiplication, then I will first, dear student, first we will find summation of AS, that is total absorption, and then from the knowledge of V and equation 2, we can put here, and we can find out t. Now I will first find, we will first find 2. So here I will divide. So summation of, dear student, can I write like this? AS is equal to, yes, what is the value of AW? AW. Hello student.
0.025.
Into SW.
250.
वेरी गुड. बाद में AF कितना है? AF
0.55.
into what is the
150.
SF? 150.
150.
Yes, very good. Plus what is the AC?
0.020.
20 into your
150.
SC is 150. And dear student, then what is the multiplication of this? Anyone? Hello student, please.
The first one 6.25.
6.25. सबका आंसर सेम है? हेलो एनीवन? हेलो स्टूडेंट.
Yes, sir.
6.25. Is it correct? 6.25.
Yes.
What is the second part? Anyone?
82.5.
82.5.
0.5.
Okay, that is 0.55 into 150. That is 82.5. Very good. And last is, that is, dear student, next is what? What is the answer? Anyone?
3.
3.
3.
So,
3.
so total is what? Plus 82.5 plus 25. कितना आंसर है?
Plus 82.5 plus 3.
Hello student, what is the answer? Can I write 91.75?
Yes, sir. 91.75.
91.75 unit is open unit into square meter. Okay, means now you have summation of alpha s, and now we will put, next is I will divide again. I will move in upward direction. Yes. Now, dear student, I will use again divide. Then I will put. Now see, therefore, can I write like this? 0.165 into V. V is your, dear student, what is the V? V is 8 minute. V is your, yes, 2500. So it's equal to, I will use 2500 and whole divided by, dear student, yes, anyone? 91.75. Is it correct? And this implies that T equal to, yes, please tell me numerator.
412.5.
412.5. Okay, that is 0.165 into 4500. 412. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the yes, perfect. 165 into 2500. 412.5. Now I will use different color. 412.5 and divided by 91.75. Yes, please divide with 91.75.
4.49.
That is equal to 4.49. Dear student, I think there is one more number is 5. Is it correct? 0.495. Hello student.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And now, dear student, and this is approximate. Can you use screen? Screen दिख रहा है आपको? Hello.
Yes.
And this is therefore now, dear student, T equal to, yes, T is approximately equal to 4 point, dear student, 50. Why I'm writing here 50? Because if here, because next number is what? 5, and if the number is 5 or more than 5, increase this by 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. So total is what? 50, 4.50. So reverberation time is 4.50 seconds. Understood, dear student, of this level? Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, superb, superb. And therefore, dear student, see, next example is the whole of volume 5,400 cubic meters is found to a reverberation time is given 2.2 seconds, and the sound absorbing surface of the whole as an area 850 square meter. Calculate the average absorption coefficient. Can you find?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I will first write data. See, dear student, data. Calculate what? Absorption coefficient, that is A equal to question mark. Then volume is this. I will write V equal to 5,400 cubic meter. Reverberation time T equal to 2.2 seconds. Okay. And I will divide this into two parts. Next, I will write working formula, and dear student, T equal to 0.165 into V upon. Dear student, if there is only one area or coefficient, absorption coefficient, then instead of summation of AS, this is your standard formula. Is it correct? Hello student. ये आपका standard formula है. Yes or no? Hello student. Anyone say can yes? Hello. Hello student.
Yes, sir.
And if there is only one surface area or absorption coefficient, instead of this is your standard formula, and therefore we can put here V equal to and S equal to, and therefore I can write. Can I write this 2.2 equal to 0.165 into V? V is 5,400. Then whole divided by, our aim is to find out A into bracket S. What is the S? Anyone? This is your S. S equal to 850 square meter. Okay. Therefore, same equation, same calculation can be written as we need A. Therefore, A equal to 0.165 into 5,400 upon 2 into 2.2 into 850. Is it correct, dear student? Hello, student. Is it correct? Anyone say can yes?
Yes, sir.
And therefore, dear student, please tell me what is the numerator? Hello, student.
891.
891. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Loudly. 891. 800.
Sir, yes.
Hello. 891. And what is the denominator?
1,870.
Denominator is 2.2 into 850, na? 1870. Is it correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And therefore, final answer is yes. What is your final answer? 891 divided by 1870. I will use different color. Therefore, hence A equal to, yes, anyone? I will
Yes,
use
sir, right.
color and hence. Yes, what is the answer? Can I write like this? 0.48. Is it correct? Because next number is 6,
Yes.
therefore increase by, yes. And what is the unit? Open window unit. Understood? Hello, student. And hence, you can rewrite this like this. Therefore, average absorption coefficient. Hence, I will use hence, dear student. Hence, average coefficient A is equal to, dear student, 0.48 open window unit. Understood, dear student, up to this level? Hello. Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much for your response and support. Understood? Hello. I will convert into PDF format और बाद में मैं share कर रहा हूँ. And dear student, please rewrite all these step by step. ठीक है? आप ये पूरा step by step वापस लिखो. And then I will give more examples based on same procedure. ठीक है? Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
And this is our completion of accounting. Again, next week, again, I will take next week or in this week, I will take 2 more lectures for a revision of acoustics. ठीक है? मतलब जो late join जिसने किया है, किसी ने attend नहीं किया मेरा session due to some emergency work or medical purpose. So I will next 2 lecture, I will again revise all these basic concepts of acoustics. ठीक है? And I will give how to solve numerical problems based on acoustics or acoustical structures of building. Okay, and this is our completion of acoustic unit. Enjoy किया? Hello student. Acoustics.
Yes, sir.
मतलब पता होना चाहिए. Acoustics means what? Structure that is which is related to constructional techniques to get best sound effect. Best sound effect. Understood, dear student?